Okay, this is the opening of the washing machine that we used the Earth Breeze on. Earth Breeze fragrance-free laundry sheet. The last one I had, we used it in here. So we're gonna see what it is like out of the washing machine, okay? There we go. These were the same load of Stinky Boy clothes that got soaked in water and sat for a long, long time. 3 days, nasty, before I noticed them. Oh, that's not cool. Okay, so they, not cool. I didn't add anything else. When I used to use my homemade laundry detergents, I would use the homemade laundry detergent, and if it was really bad, I would sprinkle it with baking soda and On Guard, and then I would use vinegar in the rinse for a fabric softener, and that would do pretty well. This one, I didn't use anything extra. It was just the Earth Breeze sheet, and it is horrible, just right out of there. So I'm gonna take this load. We're gonna leave it right there, and we are going to take a doTERRA laundry pod, and we're gonna throw it in there. So they sat, open it one-handed again. So they sat in there for like 3 days in water, because I have a little drip, so it drips down. And if you put clothes in there and just let it sit, then they get soggy. So I usually put the clothes in the basket, then I just make sure it's drained before I put them in. So I did, I didn't know that. The kids were shoving stuff in there, so it got dripped, got left in the bucket, nasty for a couple days. And then I took it, put it back in, and I washed half the load with a doTERRA laundry pod, and it was fabulous, smells so good. And then this half we did with the Earth Breeze laundry sheet, which is what I was using before doTERRA came out with their laundry pods. And they still stink bad. So I'm gonna take a doTERRA laundry pod, throw it on top, and we're gonna run it again on Easy Care Warm. There we go, Easy Care Warm, normal, medium. Ding, 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 push start. Okay, 1 hour and I'll be back.